So here we have question number 4 that says, solve the simultaneous equation 4x minus y equals to 7 and x plus 4y equals to 23. Then simultaneous equation simply means that we need to solve these two equations together. That means we are not going to solve them individually. And what do we know about simultaneous equation? The methods for solving simultaneous equations are three. We have the graphical, the substitution, the elimination method. Okay, we can use substitution and the elimination method in this case. I'm going to use the two for this particular problem. Solution. We are using elimination method. So we want to eliminate just one variable. Okay, it could be x, x, or y, y. Okay, so the equations are 4x minus y equals to 7. And next is x plus 4y equals to 23. So we call this in equation 1 and this one equation 2. Now looking at this, for us to eliminate any of these variables, that means that the variable x and x must have the same coefficients, y must have the same coefficients. But here, this has 4 as its coefficient, this has 1, this has 1, but this has 4. So what do we do to make sure that the coefficients of either x or y are the same? So we are going to multiply equation 1 by, maybe if we want to eliminate x, we use the coefficient of this x and multiply all of this equation 1. Or if we want to eliminate y, we use the coefficient of y here to multiply all of this equation 1. So let's eliminate x by multiply the equation 1 by the coefficient of 1. So let's say equation 1 times the coefficient of x here is 1. Okay, this is going to be 4x times 1 is 4x minus y times 1 is minus y equals to 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, let's call this equation 3. All right, so we're going to multiply this equation 2 again by the coefficient of the x that is up. The coefficient of x here is 4, so this should be equation 2 times 4. And we're going to have 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 4y is 16y equals to 4 times 23. 4 times 3 here is 12. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So we call this equation 4. Okay, we can see that the coefficients of x here are now the same. So we can eliminate. How do we eliminate? Do we add the two equations or do we subtract the two equations so that x can go? So we subtract because here is positive, here is positive. So we need to subtract. So 4x minus 4x is 0. So we are subtracting at every point. All right, so here is minus y minus plus 16y. So plus minus times plus is minus. So minus y minus 16y will give us minus 17y equals to, this is 7 minus 92, and this will give us minus 85. Okay, so finding the value of y should be minus 85 over minus 17 when we divide both sides by negative 17. Okay, y is equals to, this minus we cancel this minus. Okay, 85 divided by 17 will give us a 5, positive 5. All right. Okay, so since we have gotten the value of y, let's substitute y equals to 5 in any of the equation. Could be 1, 2, 3, 4, but let's choose equation 1 in equation 1. Okay, equation 1 says 4x minus y is equal to 7. And what is the value of y? It is 5. So we're going to have 4x minus 5 equals to 7. Let's transpose by collecting like terms. This is equals to 7. This one coming over becomes plus. So 4x is equals to 7 plus 5 is 12. So we divide both sides by 4. X is equals to 12 over 4. S is equals to 3. Okay, this is for elimination method.